What is up, chefs, foodies, and students? Hello and welcome to Everybody Knows. I'm Anders. I'm so glad you're here. Let's get started. Today we are talking about the earthy category on the aroma wheel. The category of earthy includes aromas that come from a variety of sources, but ultimately describes aromas that are associated with fungus, soil, dirt, minerals, and cooked proteins. If savory or umami had an aromatic counterpart, earthy might be it. Things that create an earthy aroma come from many compounds found in soil itself, such as metals like iron, other organic elements like nitrogen or sulfur, and more complex compounds like volatile acids, phenols, and alcohols like geosmin. Other common descriptors of earthy might be dark, funky, musty, brown, toasty, or dirty. Let's have a look at our aroma wheel. If we take a look at the wheel, we see that the earthy category is situated between the meaty category and the chemical category. Looking closer, we have it separated into a few different main categories, with mineral expressing some of the more pure, soily or elemental substances. We have a fungus category that describes all kinds of mushrooms and fungi. We have a floral category that covers things like coffee and chocolate, and then a brown category that covers some of the toastiness and Maillard reactions that we see when we end up cooking proteins. If we're looking for some specific identifiers, we can see that in the mineral category, we literally have some things that we would find in the dirt. We also look at the fungus category and see specific types of mushrooms. And then down in the floral category, we see different roasts of coffee, different roasts and styles of chocolate, and then different types of proteins that we see commonly toasted or browned in the cooking process. As an example, today we have a few baby portobello mushrooms. Ooh. Yeah, give that a smell. That's like very middle of the road fungus mushroom smell. It's got that darkness of the earth in it. It's hard to describe without using the word earthy. Some details to note. Earthy is sometimes used as a subcategory in the other main categories when those earthy notes are present, but not as pronounced as some of the other parts of those aromas. So that's interesting. So that about wraps it up. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to think about the category and the word earthy as you cook or as you eat. Do you like these aromas? Why or why not? Do they recall either certain memories or thoughts that come to mind when you smell them? And do you agree or disagree with what I've shown you here in our aroma wheel or that we've talked about for this category? Let me know in the comments any of the answers to those questions. I would love to see them. And I'm always open for feedback, so please don't hesitate. I hope this video made sense and got you thinking about the earthy category of aroma. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to join the food aroma nerdery, please subscribe and you will see all my latest videos as they come out. And if you would like a large poster version or a digital copy of this aroma wheel that I've created, see the links in the description, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.